right, this is our topic 8.6, example 3, try it problem. A says, how far away can a person live from a radio station and hear its broadcast if the signal covers a circular area of 40,000 square miles? Write your answer as a whole number. So I'm going to make sure that my calculator is open and ready to go. I have a radio station that covers a certain amount of square miles, right? So it covers a circular broadcast. So it broadcasts to everyone within these 40,000 square miles. And the radio station is right in the middle. So basically, anybody that lives in any region of this circle is going to be able to get this broadcast. And we're looking at the furthest distance you can live from the radio station. So you can live anywhere on this circle. That's going to be the furthest you can live. So the distance you're going to live from that radio station is going to be the radius of the circle. So we're looking for the radius of this circle. We know the area. Now we know that the formula for area is A is equal to pi r squared. The squared only applies to the radius. So I'm going to start plugging in the pieces that I do know. I know that the area is 40,000. And we know what pi is, r squared. So now I'm going to start solving for the radius. What I start by doing is dividing by pi on both sides, because I know that I want to get the radius by itself, so I need to start by getting pi away. So in my calculator, I'm going to put in 40,000 divided by pi, and I'm going to get 12,732.40 is what it rounds to, is equal to radius squared. Now if I leave that in my calculator and I just take the square root of the number I just got, I'm going to get the most accurate answer. So I would take the square root of both of these sides, and this would end up with the radius by itself, and that's going to be equal to 112.84. So that's going to be my radius. And it's asking for how far away a person can live to the nearest whole number. So a person can live 113, I'm going to round up, miles away. That's going to be the distance from the radio station to the edge of the circle is 113 miles. All right, so that's how far somebody can live away. Now I'm going to go to B, and it says, what circular area is covered by the signal if the circumference is 754 miles? What circular area is covered by the signal? So now we're looking at circumference. Now I know that circumference is equal to 2 times, actually I want to do this one. Circumference is equal to the diameter times pi, but I know that diameter can also be 2 times the radius. That's where I was getting my 2 from. So that's another equation that could be equal to circumference. And I know that area is equal to pi r squared. So if I find the radius that's used to get my circumference, I can use the radius to then find the area. So I want to solve this for the radius. So I'm going to use the second equation. I'm going to say that my circumference is 754, and that's going to be equal to 2 times my radius times pi. So I'm going to start getting r by itself. We can divide by 2 or by pi. Doesn't matter what order multiplication is in, that's the commutative property. So first I'm going to start by dividing 754 by 2. So 754 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 377, is equal to, these canceled out, so radius times pi. Then I'm going to divide by pi on both sides. So 377 divided by pi, and I get 120. It's pretty even. 120 is equal to the radius. So instead of this 113, which was our answer for A, I'll put this in right there. We now have a radius that is 120 miles. That's my center. There's my radius, 120 miles. So now I'm going to take my radius and I'm going to try and use that to find my area. So for B, we have area is equal to pi times r squared, and we just said that r was 120 miles squared. Now A is going to be equal to pi, 120 squared is going to be equal to 14,400. And then when I multiply that by pi, I end up with an area equal to 45,238.93, and we're still using miles squared. All right, so there's my answer. The circular area that's covered by a signal, if the circumference is 754 miles, is 45,238.93 miles squared.